This is going to be a very random product empties because I don't even know कि इसमें क्या क्या है. It's just that कि मैंने अपना पूरा अलमारी साफ़ किया था तो मैंने उसमें से सारी चीज़ें निकाल दी. अब वो सारी चीज़ों का मैंने एक प्रोडक्ट एम्प्टीज़ हॉल बना दिया है. सो यार लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. First product is my favorite micellar water. It's the Garnier Skin Naturals Micellar Cleansing Water. It's for sensitive skin and it is very very good micellar water. The reason it's not empty yet is because ये expired है. मैंने इसको बहुत पहले लिया था और मैं पहले इतना मेकअप नहीं करती थी बट मैंने स्टिल लिया था कि थोड़ा बहुत मेकअप के लिए भी मुझे क्लीनिंग सोल्यूशन चाहिए कोई. But I used to not do a lot of makeup, so that is why this got wasted actually. But I've restocked it already. Same मैंने एक और मंगा लिया है because I love it. It's a very good gentle micellar water and it does remove all your makeup very nicely. In fact, dirt also very nicely. A must try from Garnier. Next up is something which is related to nails. Is this Color Bar acetone free nail enamel remover. Okay, so I used to use the Lakme wala which was very chotu compared to this one and the price of both of them were very similar. तो एक दिन मैंने ये नायका से ऐसे ही randomly ऑर्डर करा दिया. मुझे लगा कि मुझे एसीटोन तो चाहिए क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नेल पेंट लगाती थी. अभी भी मैं लगाती हूँ बट कंपेरेटिवली पहले मैं बहुत यूज़ करती थी नेल पेंट्स. और उसके बाद मैंने इसको यूज़ किया. दिस इज़ सच अ गुड प्रोडक्ट. इनफैक्ट ये लेने के बाद मैंने आई थिंक इसके 4 और बॉटल्स खाली कर चुकी हूँ. मतलब मैंने 2 खाली कर दी, 2 मेरे पास पड़ी हुई. टोटल 4 मैंने ऑलरेडी मंगा लिए हैं. और इसका मैंने वो जो कॉटन पैड वाला आता है द नेल पेंट रिमूवर पैड्स वो भी मैंने कलर बार के ऑर्डर किया एंड दोज आर ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी गुड. It's totally a must try. It's such a nice acetone, very gentle, also not moisturizing enough but the cotton pads are moisturizing. This is not moisturizing. This might dry your cuticle area but you can use any oil to actually soothe it again. But this particularly is very inexpensive and very nice. बहुत कम प्रोडक्ट में बहुत अच्छे से नेल पेंट रिमूव हो जाती है. और वो पता है नेल के क्यूटिकल एरिया में कभी कभी स्टेन्स रह जाते हैं, वो स्टेन्स भी नहीं रहते इसकी वजह से. आई लव दिस, इट्स सो गुड. नाउ दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट नेल्स, I'll also show you this wipes, nail remover wipes from Insights Cosmetic and this is also very very good. मतलब ये मैंने पहली बार लिए थे. I think this is just for 40 or 45. However, the Color Bar one which I was talking about is for 90 rupees. But हाँ, the sheets vary. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी गुड. एक ही वाइप से सारे 10 के 10 नेल्स के नेल पेंट निकल जाते हैं एंड दैट इज़ टू गुड. इट्स मॉइस्चराइजिंग टू. इट हैज़ सम ऑयल्स which actually makes your nails very nice. And but the best part about this, I'm not sure if it's in the Color Bar one or not, but it's acetone free. सो वो जो एक हिंट ऑफ केमिकल तुम्हें फील होता है वो भी नहीं होगा. इट्स दैट गुड. हाउएवर दिस वन इज़ ऑल्सो एसीटोन फ्री नेल रिमूवर. तो ये दोनों मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे लगते हैं. तो आई थिंक कलर बार का दूसरा वाला जो मैंने लिया उसमें भी एसीटोन नहीं होगा. बट यार these two are very gentle for you, a must try. Next, let's check some body care. So I got this Plum Body Lovin' Scrub बहुत छोटू साइज में from Smitten. If you don't know what Smitten is, let me know in the comments below. I'll tell you. It's a trial pack wala thing and I can explain you how you can get so many trials in just rupees 200 I guess. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. But this still smells so good. I got the Drive-In Me Cherry Gel Body Scrub. So I used it for the first time. मेरे को लगा कि एम कैफीन का बॉडी स्क्रब कैसा है वैसा होगा ये कि स्क्रब होगा, हमको स्क्रब करना है और nice, good scrub. But it's not good, it's more than that because it was gel like consistency which is already mentioned here. वो gel scrub मैंने जब किया on my wet body, it started foaming also. So it was a scrub plus body wash. तो मुझे और कुछ यूज़ करने की एक्चुअली ज़रूरत थी नहीं और बहुत अच्छी स्मेल. आई मीन as soon as I came out from the bathroom, the smell was crazy. It was so good. Love it totally. मुझे full size लेना है इसका but I don't know why I'm procrastinating it. But this is a must try. Let me show you some of my perfume empties. First is this Engage perfume spray. तो ये मेरे बैग में हमेशा रहता था जब मैं ऑफिस जाती थी. But after a certain point I realized this doesn't last very long. It's very inexpensive, बहुत ही inexpensive है. This is for 225 only for this much, such big packaging, and it lasts you for a very long time. But अगर तुम जब तक मैं ऑफिस पहुँच रही हूँ तब तक इसमें स्मेल ही नहीं रह रही है, then what's the point of a perfume? So that is why I actually skipped this one. I love the fragrance. I don't like any other fragrance, but this blue color is my favorite. I don't know what's the name of it, but yeah, this blue color is my favorite. It's very nice smelling perfume, but doesn't last you very long. Next fragrance is from Plum Body Mist. This is the Trippin Mimosa. This is a very sweet citrusy fragrance. If you love sweet citrusy fragrances, then you have to try this out. This is too good, and this lasts you for like 5 to 6 hours. So being a body mist, it lasts you longer than a perfume spray, so I think a must try. The next is something that again I should buy it by now, but I'm not buying it. I don't know why. It's the Moi by Nykaa perfume. I loved the fragrance. I went to the Nykaa store. मैंने randomly उनको बोला, मेरे को लेना नहीं था कुछ, बस मैंने उनको बोला मुझे परफ्यूम चाहिए, and that too in aqua, इसमें aqua variant में, and they showed me this one. I loved the fragrance and it was not even expensive. I think 300 का कुछ था ये इतना. No doubt this lasted only for a month, but 300 का ठीक ही है परफ्यूम के हिसाब से. This used to last me for 6 hours. I think more also sometimes, but this was such a good fragrance. Totally loving it. Mesmerized थी मैं इस fragrance को use करने के बाद, और बहुत ही प्यारी सेंट थी इसकी, मतलब ऐसे भी नहीं बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग, बहुत लाइट, समथिंग इन बिटवीन विच आई ऑलवेज वांटेड. एंड मोई बाय नायका के उसने मुझे और भी बहुत सारे सेंट्स स्मेल करवाए थे, एंड दे आर ऑल सो गुड. मुझे एक्वा फ्रेग्रेंसेस ज़्यादा पसंद है, इसलिए मैंने ये ऑप्ट किया. But you can try the other fragrances also. They are too good. I don't know what's the name of this क्योंकि इसको ख़त्म हुए हुए बहुत टाइम हो गया है. I'll link it in the description below. Next again is a fragrance. I don't know why I have kept so many fragrance empties. I don't think so. लोग fragrance empties भी करते हैं. मैंने कर दिया शायद इस बार. Is the Embark My Dream fragrance. This is for him fragrance. So this one is actually a very nice fragrance. It's a very mild fragrance, not very strong, but it has that strong scent because it's for him. तो वो manly vibe है इस perfume में. Again, this is a aqua freshness वाली fragrance, and I love those fragrances only. It's a very good fragrance. Again, lasts you for 6 to 7 hours, and it makes you smell very good and very fresh. A must buy. This is also not very expensive. I think it's for 600 or 700 for this much of a bottle. Looks so classy and chic. If you see, मैंने जितने भी अभी तक परफ्यूम बताए, किसी की भी पैकेजिंग इतनी सुंदर नहीं थी जितनी सुंदर इसकी है. They have this something here on the packaging on the top also. So overall great packaging and great price, great fragrance. Overall पूरे सारे check boxes tick कर रहा है ये. So you can try this out. And yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. Bye.